Hello and thanks for joining Success Paths TV. Your journey to success starts here. At Success Paths TV, we believe you are destined to succeed. It is the reason we make efforts through experiences and books to ensure your success. One of the many things that successful people have done and are still doing to become rich is acquiring and investing in income-producing assets. Investing in income-producing asset is the best and only way to become rich in life if you desire. If you are not investing in any assets, I'm sorry you are not going to make it. As someone like myself with accounting background, when I'm preparing financial statements for companies and individuals, I'm much concerned about what assets are greatly contributing to their incomes that make them rich. And as we all know, assets are anything that are used in generating income over a period of time. If you are wondering what assets are making the rich richer, you are welcome on board to learn and start investing in these assets right away to become rich. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 10 proven assets that are making people rich. And it is my aim to inspire you to become super rich in life. But before that, if you are new here or a regular viewer of this channel and have not subscribed yet, please do and press on the bell icon in order not to ever miss more educative and informative videos like this. And I highly suggest that you watch this video till end to find out which asset you are most likely going to start investing in today to become rich. Number 1. Equipment. Anything that helps you to generate income or can immediately make you money is considered as an asset. If you are a video blogger, your camera is your asset. Your car becomes an asset if it used as a taxi or Uber to generate income. Just driving your car to and fro is not considered an asset. And living in your own house is not also considered as asset, since you rather spend money only to maintain them without making any income. You can invest in equipment such as automobiles, excavators, technologies, farm equipment, processing equipment, etc. You could simply look around, search on the internet and identify equipment that are making people rich. Research about it and start your investment today to become rich. Number 2. Real estate. Real estate is one of the best assets available that keeps making the rich richer. This asset generates you passive income because you get paid yearly or even sometimes monthly with little to no work after the asset has been acquired. Another reason to consider investing in real estate is its ability to appreciate regularly. There are 4 ways to make a lot of money out of real estate. 1 is by renting out office spaces to companies. 2. Rent out commercial building for selling items. 3. Renting out your house or rooms. By signing up with Airbnb, you could rent a spare room in your house to travelers and get paid. And 4. Land cultivation and rent. All these could fetch you steadily monthly and yearly income, and make you rich while you sleep. Asset number 3. Stock. Publicly traded companies from time to time raise funds from the public to expand their business operations and increase sales revenue. You could become a shareholder of these companies by purchasing a part of the shares on sale and earn income known as dividend whenever profits are declared. For example, when a company is selling 20 million of its shares and you purchase 2 million, it means you own 10% of the company. It also means you will receive 10% income when company declares dividends for a particular period. Another way to earn money is by buying shares when its prices are low and resell them when prices have increased. The risk here is, it takes time to earn decent income, but it's worth it. Here are examples of well-known companies you could own shares in: Nike, Apple, Disney, Tesla, Facebook, Amazon, etc. Just talk to stockbrokers the next time you decide to own a company's share if you can't find your way into owning one. Number 4. Index mutual funds. With this asset, mutual fund companies pull money from collection of investors and invest in variety of securities like stock and bonds. However, unlike stock, index mutual fund gathers funds from different investors and invest monies into different companies instead of just buying shares in one company as in the case of stock. The main thing that differentiates between index mutual fund and stock is their diversification ability. Index mutual fund companies are well capable of diversifying monies gathered from investors. One advantage about this is that you get to own shares in different companies, thereby reducing risk of losing everything when invested in a single company. Just like what happens when you put all your eggs in a single basket and falls down. Number 5. Patents. Patents are very necessary for inventors to protect their hard-made inventions. Acquiring patent documents certifies your inventions and prevent others from using or claiming ownership of your invented devices. It also describes what your design does. Companies or individuals who want to benefit from your patented work will have to seek permission from you before they can use it for commercial purposes. By way of permitting them to use your invention, they will have to pay an amount of money before they are officially allowed to use your patented work. Tell you what, a single transaction of your patented work could make you millions of dollars. Believe me. Number 6 on the list is gold and precious materials. One of the many ways individuals, mostly the wealthy, accumulate wealth is the acquisition of gold and other precious materials. Gold maintains a considerable value even when paper currencies are performing poorly on the foreign exchange market. Platinum and titanium are also used in manufacturing electronics, which generate them a huge sum of income over time. A smart way to increase your purchasing power in the future is to invest in gold, which greatly appreciates over time. 7. Trademarks. Trademarks could be symbols, words, and phrases. If your mark is licensed and well marketable, people will be willing to pay you to use it for commercial purposes. An example is when Beyoncé named her unborn daughter Blue Ivy Carter even before her birth. This ensures that no one can use the name for commercial gains unless it is allowed by the owner. Like the patent, a single transaction of your trademark could earn you millions of dollars in no time. 8. Brand. People spend their precious time and money to invest in brands nowadays. And this is because branding has become an asset that is generating a lot of income for them. It helps to sell companies' products or services. When brands like Apple or Facebook is placed on other companies' product, the original price of that product will automatically shoot up, and at the same time, people will buy just because they trust the brand placed on the said product. Are you still trying to figure out how branding becomes an income-producing asset? By officially allowing a company to use your brand on its products, it means you are leasing it just like leasing a land or building. You still keep your brand and get paid. So you see why people and companies are investing in branding? Number 9. Traditional business. Conventional businesses that are well built and managed are capable of generating income that increases over time. Building a business from scratch is never an easy task. But when adequate time, a brilliant team and other resources are combined with passion and invested, the asset still will make a lot of money even in the absence of the owner. These may include agribusiness, restaurant, groceries, bakery, building materials, etc. Lastly, digital products. Creating digital products like e-books, online courses, websites or blog sites, podcast, etc. are surest ways to make you rich. One interesting thing about this is that you could easily scale it up so much so that you wouldn't need to spend much time and energy to reproduce them. Just produce one and make multiple copies of it. You don't need a publisher's permission before you start selling your ebooks. Platforms like Amazon, Teachable, etc. will help you sell your digital products with ease. And this is a form of passive income, meaning you get paid while you sleep. As and when readers and viewers visit your blog site or YouTube channel, you get paid based on the number of views on your site and other income source. The only thing is to spend some few resources to build your site to attract more views. We believe you enjoyed this video and you have made list of the assets you will like to start investing in to become rich. Let us know in the comment below which one you are most likely going to start now. If we didn't mention any assets you believe are making people rich, we would like to hear from you as well. Please like, share and subscribe for more educative and informative videos like this for your success. We at Success Paths TV appreciate you.